series 2005 model. So the concern this one is we need to remove the cylinder head assembly. Right? So see, this cylinder head is out already. So this is what looks when you're removing the cylinder head for BMW 1 series 2005 model. See, we have tools, wirings in there. Yeah. See? Yeah. Now this is this parts of the cylinder head. See the springs, camshaft, and the bulbs and the lifters, rockers and the lifters. See, and that's the cylinder head. See all the bulbs, exhaust bulbs and intake bulbs. And now the technician doing grinding bulbs. Right? Right, guys? Please subscribe and likes for more videos. And thanks for watching. I'm gonna show you the cylinder heads and the bulbs in there. And now they're doing for grinding bulbs. Now this one is done. And this is the bulbs that it's been grind already. See how clean is that and contact properly. Yes, this is the tools that to use it. Yes, and this one need to be grind. See, it's darkened compared to this one here. See difference. And this one is the old one that is not need to be grind also. See, and this is the one that we use. See the lapping compound, the coarse one and the fine one. See, it's set properly to grind the bulbs. See. Alright guys, thanks for watching.